What's up, guys? Bad Bassin' Adventures here. We're at a new spot. It's the weekend. We're about to have some fishing action. Down here at a spot off of the North San Gabriel River, and we got about, I'd say, a mile or 2 miles maybe of paddling, and we'll be at Lake Georgetown, and hopefully we can get on some bass today. All in all, it's going to be a great little kayaking adventure. Maybe use some of these fish we catch for the Yak Tribes online tournament, but for now we're going to get the old yak out of the truck. We're gonna go to work. See you guys on the water. It's about 7:30. The rest of the crew's made it. Look at this water. The rest of the guys made it here. We're in the water, walking the yaks down a little bit. We're gonna get on the fish. Just navigating this water right now, trying to find a little bit deeper water. Those are all carp. They don't want nothing to do with this. Another big carp. There we go. There we go, first largemouth. Stinks out of the boat. There we go. Not a big one at all, but first bass on this section of the river, so later. Tossing this beaver down the rock edge, Texas rigged. That was kind of uninspected, just smoked it all of a sudden. Yes! No! Oh! Oh, he came back! He came back! Yeah, baby! He came back! I don't believe it! Woo! Yes! Yes, sir! Big frogs! Yes! You're a fatty, dude! Woo! Yes! On the frog! Yes! There we go! Damn, my drag slipped and you came back. I got lucky. I don't think he's 14. I don't think so. Oh yeah, he's 14. He's 14. That'll count. That'll count. Kind of looks like a craw, but that'll work. Yeah, boy. Came around for round 2 on the frog. Later. Sweet. Try the jerk bait. Let's see what's going down. Oh yeah, on the jerk bait. Yeah, baby. Come on. Stay in those treble hooks. Stay in, stay in, stay in, stay in. Oh, he's small. Oh yeah, I'll take Ab. Yes, son, jerk bait. Alright guys, real quick update. We have successfully caught one on the jerk bait. We've successfully got one on the beaver. Another Cast Kings reel setup, and then we've got one on the frog on the new Speed Demon Cast Kings reel. So, dude, I cannot complain. I'm gonna try the drop shot one time right here before I keep making my way down. But all in all, today's gone amazing. Couldn't go any better so far. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can catch some big bass. Oh, yes. Yes, man. Look at this, guys. This thing, look at this place. It's friggin' gorgeous. Look what I'm paddling through. Inches of water. This is awesome. Oh, there we go. There's the bottom. That's alright. There we go. Yes! That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a really good fish. Yes. No. That's a good largemouth. Oh. Come on. Yeah! Woo! Yes! Woo! Oh my God. Yeah, baby. That's a 5. That's a 5-pounder. Yeah! Yeah! Look at that largemouth. Woo! Look at that. He choked that frog. He choked it. Look at this dude. Look how massive this dude is. This is a big bass. Woo! That's gonna count for the tournament. Hell yeah. Big frog. Bass choking it. Oh yeah. Yes. That's what I need. That's what I need. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yes. You are a brute, son. Awesome. Yes. All right, bro. It's time for you to go home. You're a big bass. Look at that, guys. That is a big bass. Thank you so much, you fat pig. Oh yeah. Gone, son. Look at that. It disappears into the grass mat. How's that even possible? Yes! All right, guys. Paid off throwing the big frogging with the new Cast Kings Speed Demon. It did work. It was big blow up. I set the hook hard and could get the line in super quick, and we stepped all over that bass boy. Woo! That's a good one for the tournament. Woo! That was a good fish. All right, guys, let's get back on it. Give it another shot. Let's keep going. I think it's deep again. Dude, this is awesome. This is awesome. Whoa, what? This is ridiculous. Look at this view. This is amazing. Man, I'll be careful. Ugh. It's gorgeous up here. I want to take something with me, I don't know what to choose. Frog's done the most work. Let's go. We're going on another little adventure here. This water, from up there on top of these rocks that I'm standing on way up there, I can see all the way around the corner. And from what it looked like to me, it looks like it's about, 5 inches deep all the way down. And I ain't dragging the kayak down there to keep going today because I stopped at so many of these holes and fished them. I'm gonna try to see if we can get these spots to react to something. Taking a shade break. So taking a little shade break. Hell yeah. Nice. Oh. So what had happened was, got the yak parked over there. I jumped out real quick. There's like this place has big puddles everywhere, where it's dried up, where it forks, yada yada yada. Found this little hole. It's got some spots in it. And I'm just trying to see if I can catch one. I threw my big frog in there and they came up and kind of bounced it off their nose. They're kind of small. So I'm tying on a small frog to this light spinning stick and let's see if we can do anything with it. Got one. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. Nice. Nice bass. Pretty. Oh yeah. Choke that frog. Woo! Love frog fishing. These are, again, this is not the fish we were targeting in here. I've just only been able to catch the largemouth. I cannot get these spots to bite. It's a good fish though, nonetheless. £1.5 pounds. Alright, let's let this guy go. Let's look for some more. Bass. That's not a bad bass at all. Catch on a small little tiny frog. This is the Lunker Hunt pocket frog. Tiny little booger. Put it on the spinning reel. Hell of a fight. Need to tighten my drag down, obviously. Let's continue our little journey. That was a nice little pit stop. Trying to make it back to the house. Caught one, lost one. Oh, I hate losing fish, especially on the frogs, man. Got company. No clue what the hell that guy's doing down here. No, they're fishing. That's what's up. Alright guys, still on our way home. Back to the truck. But let's stop in the pocket and see if we can hook up a few bass while we're here. Man, big spot. There he goes. He's gone. Oh, oh my god, that was a f***er blow up. Motherfucker. Come back, baby. Come back. Come back. Why does this thing always get heavy on my back? Well guys, we made it out of there. Got the yak all loaded up, rods loaded up. Had an amazing day on this river today. Have not fished this part of the river before, but I had a great time. Caught some good sized bass. Caught a couple for the online Yak Tribes tournament that I'm competing in. Caught them all on most of the bass, the big bass at least. We caught on a frog. We caught a couple on jerk bait, and then we caught one on I think a soft plastic beaver, just Texas rigging it. But all in all, great day, another successful mission, great adventure, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bad Bassin' out.